Welcome to the sticker room of Happy KO Studios. This is the room we dedicate to putting stickers on our guitar cases, keyboard cases, TV cases, court cases. I don't know if you know this, but there's a right way and a wrong way to put on the sticker. The wrong way would be for me to just take the sticker and stick it on there. The right way would be to take a damp rag. You can dampen it with anything.
I got work to do.
As usual, Drew will not be present for today's video. I tried to persuade him to come to the sticker room by mentioning the damp rag. Usually he knows what it means, and it's wipey time, as he calls it. But so today, so as I was saying, you basically want to wipe down the surface with a damp rag of wherever you're going to be putting the surface. You can either let it air dry or dry it with a dry rag. In this case, I just used the dry side of the rag. I only dampened half the rag. So you take your sticker and you adhere it to the case. I didn't let it dry enough. I did it the wrong way. I did that to show you the wrong way of putting stickers on a keyboard case. I'm just blowing on it gently to air dry it. You can go the extra mile if you want, if you really want to get serious with this. And you can take a credit card or a guitar pick if you're a musician and start from the middle of the sticker and then just scrape the bubbles away from the center of the sticker thusly. And you can keep blowing on it if you want to. There you go. I'm just going to use my fingernail though. I don't really have a credit card or a guitar pick. So I'm going to just scrape the sticker. Okay, perfect. Shit, I fucked up. See, this is exactly why you don't want to do it the wrong way, because you fuck it up. Right. And that's how you put a sticker on a guitar case or a keyboard case. I hope that those of you watching at home getting ready to put on your sticker enjoyed this video and will use the information for the rest of your life. My goal with this channel, me and Drew's goal, is to impact people's lives and to give you information that's actually useful. me and Drew's goal is to impact people's lives, not to secretly give you information that's bullshit and useless. So I hope you take the former away from this video and like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below and to let us know what you would like to see in future videos, including Drew. Thank you. Good night. Hey everyone, me again. This is a little bit of a bonus feature. I decided to make Drew a little drawing, and I'm going to give it to him, and I hope he likes it. So here's the drawing, and let's go give it to him. There you go, Drew. I made that for you.
What's this, Lawrence?
It's a picture of you.
Did you draw this for me?
I did. What do you think?
Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
It's going right on the fridge. Right on the fridge.